wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids building sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The meccano super construction encourages youngsters aged 8 and older to build and rebuild using 2 real tools and 638 pieces to make models powered by a 6-volt motor. You can create cranes, tanks, trucks, cars, helicopters, airplanes, and more. It includes a handy carrying case, however it doesn't include the required 4 AA batteries, and the instructions are a bit vague. At number 9, the Lauri Tall Stackers uses a 100-hole crepe rubber pegboard as a base on which children can form structures as tall as they like, using the pegs and tower mats. The brightly colored components are durable and hold up nicely for years. All the materials are latex-free, and it can help develop sorting and matching skills, but it doesn't come with a storage bag. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Little engineers with lots of imagination will enjoy the Zoob Builder Z, which they can use to make a crown, a pterodactyl, a strand of DNA, and more. The pieces snap together in 20 ways for connections that rotate, limbs that extend, and axles that spin. It reinforces STEM education principles and helps develop fine motor skills. However, the container is not very sturdy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kids building sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, featuring rods and connectors that fit together easily and securely, the Connect 70 model offers hours of open-ended play and develops children's spatial awareness. With wheels, rotors, wings, and tracks, they can create cool interactive toys that move. It comes with a treasure chest-shaped storage tub and has been tested rigorously for quality. Replacement parts are readily available. Moving up our list to number 6. The Magformers Basic comes with 62 flat squares, triangles, and pentagons that connect magnetically to craft 3D domes, bridges, and more. The colorful pieces are open in the middle, which makes them easy for small fingers to handle. It's a durable sonic welded construction made with BPA-free materials. It includes a helpful ideas booklet. Halfway up our list at number 5. Klutz Lego Gadgets is a book-based activity kit with 58 bricks, gears, pegs, and wheels that enable you to put together 11 machines, including a gravity-powered car and a boxing robot. It provides open-ended prompts to inspire experimenting with your own designs too. It includes clear illustrated instructions and 78 pages in total. It's designed for ages 8 and up. At number 4, learning resources Gears can serve as a youngster's introduction to the world of STEM by encouraging them to sort, group, design, and build. They can use 100 colorful components like axles and interlocking bases to construct exciting projects that spin. It comes with pillars and cranks and helps strengthen hand muscles. It teaches cause and effect. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the tinkertoy 200 pieces is a classic that's been enjoyed by children for decades. Your kid can form anything from a giant castle to a flying dragon with rods and spools, and everything snaps together easily and stays put until disassembled. It comes with building ideas and helps develop hand-eye coordination. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kids building sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Lincoln Logs Original comes with 111 maple wood pieces in a colorful storage tin that commemorates the company's 100th anniversary. It includes everything you need to make a tall tower, 2 small houses with a bonfire, and a large cabin. It's all stained with precision and features a logo on the roof gable of the cabin. It's manufactured in Maine. And taking the top spot on our list, the Magna Tile's clear colors encourages children to use their imaginations to combine the vibrant components into fun 3D creations. The translucent pieces look like stained glass when held to the light, and their powerful magnets ensure they're easy to connect. It helps develop shape recognition and includes 3 types of triangle. It's durable and made to last. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kids building sets, or simply click beneath this video.